How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on your Samsung phone. So this is good if you want to speed up your phone. So what you want to do is go into settings and then come down and find the apps menu and press on it. So unfortunately you can't clear the cache on every single app at once, so you have to do it individually, but there's no point in doing it for the smaller apps that don't take up much room. So you want to choose apps that you would use quite often and that are quite large. So for example, Facebook. So tap on it, come down and open up the storage, and then in the bottom right you simply press clear cache and that'll reset it to 0, and you can do it for a few others as well. So we'll do it for Google too. So same again, come down to storage and clear the cache, and if it works you'll see it resets it to 0. So that's how to clear the cache on Samsung phone. Thank you for watching.